fresh blueberries arrive for processing intake.
Each lot is weighed and identified before entry. Representative samples are collected for quality testing. Sugar and acidity are verified against specifications.
Approved fruit is released to processing.
Released fruit is transferred to the intake bin.
Blueberries are gently unloaded to prevent damage. Flow rate is controlled into the hopper.
Field debris is removed before washing.
Removed debris is segregated as organic waste.
Fruit enters the primary wash flume. Agitation loosens soil and residues. Separated soil is removed with wash water.
Fruit transfers to secondary washing.
Clean water rinses remaining residues.
Sanitizer is applied at controlled concentration. Contact time ensures microbial reduction. Residual sanitizer is rinsed off. Used water is directed to wastewater treatment. Excess surface water is removed. Pair knives remove remaining surface moisture. Fruit is prepared for visual inspection. Obvious defects are manually removed. Optical systems detect color and size defects. Off-spec fruit is separated automatically. Clean fruit is verified and released downstream. A secondary wash enhances cleanliness. Remaining fine particles are released.
Washed fruit exits toward drying.
Fruit is dewatered before preparation.
Washed fruit enters the preparation area.
Conveyor flow is stabilized for uniform processing.
Inline inspection checks for foreign objects. Fruit is fed to the grinder for size reduction. Blueberries are mechanically crushed into mash.
Crushed fruit is transferred hygienically.
Pulper separates usable pulp from solids. Hummus is diverted for byproduct handling.
Finishing refines pulp into smooth puree. Finished puree is collected in a buffer tank. Puree is pumped through closed sanitary lines. Residual solids are removed. Deaerated puree is transferred for standardization. Puree is blended to achieve uniform composition. Puree is sent to heat treatment. Puree enters the pasteurization system. Temperature is raised to required level. Critical control points are continuously recorded. Only compliant product proceeds forward. Puree is cooled to filling temperature. Cooled puree enters the aseptic holding system. Sterile conditions are maintained before filling. Product moves through closed sterile lines. Puree is filled into sterile packaging. Filled packs are sealed and coated for traceability.
Filled packages are checked for correct weight.
Compliant units are accepted.
Seal integrity is automatically verified.
Non-conforming packs are removed.
Finished packs are placed into cases. Shipping cases are sealed securely. Case-level traceability is applied. Cases are stacked onto pallets. Pallets are stabilized for storage.
Finished product is stored pending dispatch.
Pallets are logged into inventory.
Pallets are staged for shipment.
Product awaits loading at the dock.
Pallets are loaded for distribution.
Shipment departs the facility.
Separated pomace is routed to byproduct.
Fats and solids are floated and removed.
Microorganisms reduce organic load.
Sludge volume is reduced. Treated sludge is removed from site. Treated water meets discharge standards.
cleaning solutions are recovered after cycles.
CIP effectiveness is verified before reuse.
Processing run is complete.
Shipment records are finalized and archived.
The dock is cleared after dispatch.
Equipment is placed in idle condition.
The facility remains clean and ready.
The processing operation is complete.
Dispatched inventory has cleared storage.
Production data is reviewed for compliance.
All systems are in idle state.
The production batch is formally closed.
Dispatch operations are concluded.
Storage areas remain idle. The facility is secured after operations. This concludes the blueberry processing run.